For your lab submission this week, you're required to create an Excel spreadsheet which calculates the total CO2, methane, and cyanide emissions for a minimum of 10 pieces of your teddy bear wheelchair. You'll be required to submit one spreadsheet per teddy bear wheelchair group. You should put the CO2, methane, and cyanide calculations on separate sheets within the workbook. It's marked as a pass-fail assignment. You need to have a minimum of 10 different parts. For example, you could have an axle, wheel, and so on. They cannot all be the same shape. You also must have a minimum of 3 different materials. For example, you cannot only do steel mechanical parts, but you should also include perhaps rubber and aluminum. Here I've set up an example spreadsheet which shows how to calculate the carbon dioxide emissions. The same process can be followed for methane and also for cyanide, which should be on separate tabs within this spreadsheet. At the top, you have the part number, the name of the part, the material it's made out of, its mass measured in grams, its mass in kilograms, which is simply the mass in grams divided by 1,000. This is where you input the kilograms of CO2 per kilogram of material based on the spreadsheet attached to CourseLink, or alternatively that you found online and referenced. This is the calculation for the amount of CO2 for that specific part. All your parts are then summed and totaled at the bottom.